Hi there, students. To evince, a verb, to evince. It means to show, to demonstrate, especially an emotion or a quality. So, for example, her generosity evinces her truly good nature. It shows it, it demonstrates it. His tone of voice evinced how angry he really was. His glib words, light, easy flowing, but with no foundation. His glib words evinced his insincerity. Never before had he evinced any interest in the natural world, but now he showed interest in it. So to evince, to show, to reveal, to express, to convey an idea or feelings, to prove. The massive improvement in his English evinces the fact that my teaching methods actually work. In an exam, using interesting words will evince your high level of English. It will demonstrate it. It will show it clearly. My sunburned face evinces the reality that summer has arrived. My boss's gloomy face evinced how much financial trouble the company was really in. So to evince, to show, to demonstrate, it's more than imply, to show quite clearly and strongly. Yeah. The fact that this machine has not broken after so much work evinces what good quality it is. Okay, so to evince, this is a formal word. I'd give it 7.5, 8 in formality. Don't use evince in an informal conversation in the pub. Show, demonstrate, something like that. Use it in something semi-formal, or best in something very formal. To evince also is a regular verb. This evinced his generosity. This action has evinced the reality of the situation. Okay, this word to evince, it comes from Latin, evincere. So, ex, out of, and vinco, to conquer. So to completely conquer. But this has the idea of to prove completely. And therefore to show or demonstrate clearly. Yeah? If we use evince, it has the idea of showing this without doubt. It's not just implying or inferring it. It is clearly showing that this is the situation, that this is how the person feels, that the object possesses this quality. Speaking good English evinces the intelligence of the speaker. People, if you speak good English, people take you more seriously. So speaking good English evinces the persuasiveness of your arguments, for example. So there you go. To evince, to show, to demonstrate clearly. If you enjoyed the video, you could evince your satisfaction by giving it a rating. You could subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To evince.